If your credit card terminal is having issues, here is exactly what you need to do to get back and running your shop. First, make sure your POS system and credit card terminal is powered on. If the Android OS home screen appears when the credit card terminal is powered on, please call the support team for further assistance. If the Quick V screen appears, then continue on with this video. On your credit card terminal with the Quick V screen present, tap the four corners of the screen. You will then be asked for a password. The password will always be the current date in long format. For example, if today's date is January 9th, 2026, then the password will be 0109-2026. You will now find yourself in the settings of the credit card terminal. Scroll all the way down and tap Exit. You'll find yourself in the Android OS home screen of the credit card terminal. Head over to the bottom of the screen and click Settings. Now, click Network and Internet. Confirm you are connected to the right Wi-Fi network and that your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Both the credit card terminal and the POS system must be connected to the same network. Ensure the Wi-Fi network says Connected instead of Saved. To avoid any issues, we highly recommend using an Ethernet cable for both the POS and the credit card terminal instead of using Wi-Fi or hotspot. Once you've confirmed your Wi-Fi settings, return home by pushing the red X button until you get back to the Android home screen. To verify your device is connected to the internet, click on the Pack Store app. If the Pack Store looks like this, then your credit card terminal is still not connected to the internet. Go back to your internet and network settings and try again. If your credit card terminal is connected correctly, then the Pack Store should look like this. After you're done checking, return back to the Android OS home screen and finally click on the Sierra app. Now, to connect the credit card terminal to the POS system, head over to the station settings on the POS system. Tap Hardware, then tap Configure PIN Pad. Under Device Communication Protocol, choose Port Number. Then, tap Fetch Device Info. If this does not work, then choose Serial Number under Device Communication Protocol. Enter your credit card terminal's serial number found on the back of your credit card terminal and type it into the box. Then, tap Fetch Device Info. If everything is correctly connected, a small pop-up should appear on the bottom of the POS system saying the credit card terminal is connected. Conduct a test run of the credit card terminal to ensure everything is working properly. Now you're all set. If at any time you have any other questions or require additional support, Quick V Support is here to help. You can reach us using the support button at the top of your POS system at any time. Thanks for watching.